Hey guys, today is going to be such a fun and productive day. I am still losing my voice. I think it's all the allergies that are in the air. But as you can tell around me, it is a bright and sunny full day, and we are going to get a ton of stuff done in the garden. And I want to tell you about some upcoming videos that I'm working on. And I want to hear from you guys to know which one you'd like to see first, because one of them is the house tour of my parents' house that they just built last year. It's a custom build. They have custom built their homes before in the past. They move a lot in the same town. Their house is pretty awesome. There are some really cool features, such as, you could say this house has 2 kitchens, or you could say it's got 3 pantries. It has the most amazing master closet. It has a dream laundry room, a wonderful mud room, an amazing entry. Did I say 3 bonus rooms? Plus a guest room and an office, which could actually be 2 bedrooms, but other than the master. Anyway, it is a gorgeous home. We may actually have to break the video down into 2 or 3 segments because there's so much to cover. But I'd like to know, do you guys want to see that first? Or would you rather see setting up our rain barrels? If you saw the previous video where the barrels had cracked over the winter because we did not winterize them, then you know that we've got to replace those barrels. I've got all of that, and I just haven't done it yet because I wanted to do a video over it so that I can show you. I did tons of research before coming up with my rain barrel design, and I made sure that I found the easiest and cheapest way to create a rain barrel system, and that's what I want to share with you guys. So either one of these types of videos are going to be the next video for me to create for you guys. I just want to hear from you which one you want to see first, so that it gives me a little bit of direction on where to focus my time for the next couple of days, and then we'll make the other one the following video after that, unless something else comes up in between. If you guys have seen, I'll share a link in this video, but we did do the landscape at my mom's house last year. And so if you've seen that video, then you know what house I'm talking about. That's the one that we did the tour on, and I'm in the middle of editing all of that footage, and it's a ton of footage. That's why I'm thinking about putting out the rain barrel video first. So let's get back to what we're doing today. I'm glancing over here because I've got some cleanup to do in my front yard, and we are going to head to Home Depot because I am out of my sphagnum peat moss. I'm going to take you with me to Home Depot right now, and we are going to purchase the ingredients that we need, and then we'll head back here to the house, get some soil made up, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with it. Well, guys, the young lady at Home Depot told me that they are no longer carrying the premier brand of sphagnum peat moss, and all of the other brands are way more than what I would want to pay. So that means we have to pivot today on our projects. So another thing I wanted to mention is that we also have a video over how we built our screened-in patio. That's another one that I'm working on for you guys. So what I'd like to hear from you is whether you would like to see my parents' house tour first, or the rain barrel setup, or our screened-in patio. Which of those 3 do you want to see first, so that I know where to focus my attention for the next few days? And in the meantime, here are some updates on how the garden is doing now. If you've watched our recent planting videos, you'll see this is our Brussels sprouts and onions, our cauliflower and carrots and peas, and right here is our zucchini. You probably know that I have always had trouble with zucchini, so I'm going to do a full video over that. but I'm trying one little zucchini plant this year surrounded by a bunch of radishes, and I'll get into more of that in a future video. So just let me know what you would like to hear about first. And also, here is our south garden, our mama duck that has laid her 15 eggs in our south garden. And here's an update on our strawberries. They are doing amazing. They are huge this year. I don't know if that's because of the duck in the garden, if she's fertilizing our plants, but they are way bigger than they've ever been before. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. I've got so much more to share, obviously. Oh, and building our terrace garden. Do you want to see that video before any of the others? Because I still have that one in queue as well. And I also still need to finish my garden design series. I haven't even started on how we built the terrace garden, the grapevine grotto, the south garden, and our front yard gardens. So there's a lot to cover. Just let me know what you want to see first. That will help me know where to spend the next few days, and we'll just keep going from there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do hit like and subscribe if you don't mind, and stick around and watch another video. And remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources.